Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of how to close your Google Workspace account, ensuring you know each step thoroughly. To kick things off, you'll want to start by heading to the Google Workspace login page. Once there, sign in using your Google account credentials. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to select the one associated with the Google Workspace account you wish to close. This section is rich with different settings related to your account's preferences and configurations. Our focus lies deeper within, so proceed by clicking on Account Management. Here, Google provides you with more control over the operational status of your Workspace account. You'll then encounter an option labeled Go to Subscriptions. It's vital to click on this because it's where Google oversees all your active subscriptions and licenses, the backbone of your Google Workspace account. In the License Settings section, you'll want to take a decisive step. Turn off all the licenses and subscriptions. This action is pivotal as it ensures you won't incur any future charges for Google Workspace services. Double-check to make sure every subscription is disabled, and don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. This step is essential in avoiding any unexpected charges on your next billing cycle. But we're not done quite yet. Navigate back to Account once more. Although it might seem repetitive, this ensures we're carefully adhering to Google's procedures for account closure. Repeat the steps by clicking on Account Settings, followed by Account Management, to ensure we reach the point where significant changes to your account status can be made. Finally, you will arrive at the critical step where you can click on Delete Account. This is a major decision, so I strongly advise ensuring you've backed up or migrated any important data from your Google Workspace account beforehand. Google typically offers a grace period for recovery, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. And there you have it. By following these guided instructions, you have successfully taken all the necessary steps towards closing your Google Workspace account. It's prudent to double-check each step and fully understand the implications of closing your account, particularly if you rely on Google services for other aspects of your work or personal life. I hope this video has been helpful in making this significant action as clear and straightforward as possible for you. Thanks for watching. And feel free to explore our channel for more tutorials and tech guides designed to make your digital life easier and more productive.